Mattel Incorporated is an American multinational toy manufacturing and entertainment company founded in January 1945 and headquartered in El Segundo, California. The products and brands it currently produces include Barbie, Hot Wheels, Fisher-Price, American Girl, Uno, Mega, Thomas & Friends, Polly Pocket, Masters of the Universe, Monster High and Enchantimals, with Ever After High and Mycene also having been previously produced. In the early 1980s, Mattel produced video game systems under its own brands and under license from Nintendo. The company has presence in 35 countries and territories and sells products in more than 150 countries. The company operates through 3 business segments: North America, International, and American Girl. It is the world's second largest toy maker in terms of revenue after the Lego Group. In 2020, Barbie was named the top global toy property per the NPD Group, a global information research company. Hot Wheels was named the top-selling global toy of the year. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.